Pero ready ko.
Hello, SB19! I'm Akitin from Pangasinan. Happy 6th anniversary sa inyong 5. Grabe, sobrang saya ng puso namin na nakilala namin kayo dahil sobrang nyo kaming ini-inspire sa bawat araw, lalo na kapag nakikinig kami ng inyong mga musika.
My name is Melanie. I am from Sydney, Australia. You've really reignited my passion for music. And because of you guys, I was also introduced to one of the most beautiful fandoms in the world, 18.
Okay, why do you like SB19?
Because you're nice and they make me so sad. Keto, basta tingin mo.
Hello, Josh, Stella, Pablo, Ken, and Justin. I would like to say thank you for sharing your music with us.
Nabago talaga ng SB19 yung buhay namin kasi mas naging positive yung outlook namin sa buhay. SB19 helped me to go out of my comfort zone.
But what kept me going was listening to SB19's music. Dito lang kami yung 18 to support you no matter what.
And sana walang magbabago sa inyo.
Me that saved me when I was lost and drowning, and now I was able to walk forward to continue my dreams.
This is the first time na nag-fan girl ako and hindi ko akalain na magiging ganito kalalan yung paghanga at pag-suporta ko sa kanila. Siguraduhin ko na hanggang dulo, susuportahan ko kayo. At syempre, antayin namin kayo dito sa The Land Down Under, dito sa Australia. And minimanifest namin na one day makapunta kayo dito. Yun lang. Thank you.
SB19 made me want to go back into writing music and performing. So, because of them, I also met friends stay here who have the same passion and love for music. It's a very supportive community.
Yung mga videos nyo, pinapanood namin, pinapanood ng anak ko na naiintindihan niya. Natututo rin siya sa inyo. So, thank you so much.
Ang gagawin niya talaga to promote our Filipino culture to the international stage.
Your songs make me feel like I'm still at home.
I wish you all the best. Sana mas mabuong pa yung career niyo.
I found another purpose. I found another reason to smile and laugh. Another reason to be excited and look forward to tomorrow.
SB19 has changed my life by inspiring me to embrace my passion and pursue my dreams fearlessly.
You became an anchor na parang you kept my feet on the ground pero always dreaming high.
And your songs have inspired me to become stronger in life.
I feel like I lost so much time in my younger years. You reminded me that I can catch up. Buhay kayo ng patay na pangarap. So, mahal na. Happy 6th anniversary.
Thank you for sharing. And then pinag-pray namin, sana tuloy-tuloy ang achievements, tuloy-tuloy ang pagtakbo ng journey nyo. Diba? Siyempre, 18 to hanggang dulo.
Cheers for more years! Cheers for more greater heights!
Salamat sa buhay nyo. Salamat sa musika na binibigyan nyo sa mundo.
I'm Mahalima. Congrats on 6 years of musical greatness.
Don't get tired of just being yourselves and making music for us, performing for us.
And I am hoping for your happiness and good health. Ayan, huwag niyo rin kalilimutan na mahal namin kayo at mamahalin namin kayo hanggang sa huli.
Thank you for existing. Thank you for creating music for us. Para ma-inspire kami.
Congratulations on reaching this far, and sa akin yun na nandito kami palagi para supportahan kayo sa inyong mga endeavors.
SB19, happy 6th anniversary. And sana kayo mapakagod paggawa ng kanta.
Asahan nyo, nandito kami lahat hanggang dulong susuporta sa inyo.
Please continue touching people's lives. Continue inspiring people. Kasi ang dami na po talaga natutulungan. 18 will be here to support you all the way to your ultimate goal. So,
Happy anniversary SB19. Salamat sa pagsagip, salamat sa musika, salamat sa mga istorya.
Bye-bye!
Thank you SB19 for the gift of music and please keep on inspiring everybody.
Thank you so much.
hirap na tumalo sa Bernes. Parang nararamdaman ko na.
Fire zone ka na yan.
Parang ito na yun ah.